Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So there's a new update available on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra that you guys might be missing out. For that, you will have to simply go into your settings, and from there you have to tap on software update, then you have to tap on download and install. From here you will get to see a new update is available of the March 1st 2025 and in 586 MBs in size. So this is a security patch update that is available on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and the last update was of February 1st 2025. Talking about what's new, so the device stability is improved with this new update and the device is protected with the improved security. Also, this update includes some new or enhanced features. Now you just have to simply tap on restart now to install this update after the download is complete. But make sure to install this update when your device is completely free, as you will be unable to use your device during this installation process. Simply tap on restart now to complete the installation process. Now you will have to wait over here for a while during this installation process. As you can see, the One UI is now optimizing the apps, and after a while the update will be installed, and as you can see now your device is on the latest version of 1st March 2025. So this was the security patch update available on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. A similar update was also available on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra of 1st March 2025, but it was with the One UI 6.1. Hopefully the next update that we will get on the S24 Ultra will be of the One UI 7 update. And that's a wrap for today's video. Do let me know in the comment section that did you got this update on your device or not yet. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.